Yeah, Merry Christmas to everybody, all my followers. Today is 26th December 2025. I know you celebrate the Christmas with your family, with your loved ones. I'm here. This is the temple, Ehitti temple. We clear the ground for the 31st program. This is where the children of God will gather. I'm not talking about religion. We are children of God, the Creator. Mauga, Sogbo, Mauga, Lisa, Alpha and Omega. Applicati, applicably, no. Mauga Tetrimatri. The Almighty. Yes. So these are the program activities. All the Gaga movement people and all my children all over the world when you are coming. There is a water I want to prepare for everybody. Listen to me. So when you are coming, make sure you get your new buckets. You see how I did this water? So when you are here 28th or 29th, you will bring your bucket. I'm going to put, you see this tree is called Atiga in our language. The back, this tree is called Atiga. But in Yoruba language, it's called Ingila. A big tree, Ingila. Listen to what I'm telling you. It mixed with different ones. And you see that there is a knife at the middle of the water. This will be in this water for 3 days. I hope you are getting it. So those who are coming, you can get the knife, no problem, and get a new bucket. That is what will be in the water. So when you come, and this is, we don't use normal water to do it. A water that on the top of a mountain, on a rock. So last week I have to send my boys, we're going mountain to mountain to be fetching it small. So this particular one is for somebody. And that is why I want to talk about it. That 28th, 29th, 30th, and 31st, it will not be easy here. When you are coming, this is a Ehitti temple program. See, so after I mix it for you, we are going to tie it this way. Then you are going to keep it. They will break on it. Then you remove that water and bath. We'll add another water. The following day you bath it again and see 2026 how things are going to work for you. Listen to me. When you are coming here, most people, when you are coming, listen to me. You see, if you want to meet me one-on-one, come to me and say, Papa, do spiritual work for me. And my calling involves, we believe in sacrifices, animal sacrifices. Listen to what I'm saying. So when you come for emergency or consultation, yes, I can prophesy to you, I can tell you that this is your problem, and you will confirm to me. It happened. 24/7. Those who meet me one-on-one will tell you. If you are truthful, you can comment under there. So when you come, and you did not let me know that you want the spiritual work, I will let you maybe get some spiritual materials and give you some few directions to go and do. Listen to what I'm telling you. But when you come and you want to have connection with the altar, with the spirit, that one, you need to prepare because it involves animals inside. This is the thing I want to tell everybody. So when you are coming, those who are calling now that, no, the church service, our church service is free. Nobody charge anybody for any service. Listen to what I'm telling you. We worship free. But if you want spiritual work, you want to go to Akrofu, you want to go to Zigazimate, so that something heavy to come. You want to do spiritual work on yourself. See, there is a direction protection and there is a spiritual protection. I can give you herbs to use to bath for protection. That one is not from spirit. And there is a protection also from a spirit too. Listen to what I'm telling you. So those who are coming, just know that I'm coming somewhere. I may need some oil, I may need some soap, I may need some this. If possible, I can even get goats or I can get a sheep or ram or cow and do this. Are you getting what I'm saying? So that you prepare before coming. So when you come, you don't confuse yourself. Are you getting what I'm saying? But those who, when things are locked for you, you go through the bath and all those things. When things are getting better, do that. Do. No sacrifice, no glory. You are not doing it. You see, this is of you are having faith that it shall be well, it shall be well. Nothing is coming. The blessing is here already. Look at this story. They say Satan with God, they fight there, and they push Satan here. Angel Michael, while God was fighting Satan, Angel Michael came And then Lucifer, blah, 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 they fight him. They were not able to fight this man, and they push him to the land. And they sent Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego, Daniel, Elijah, Moses, and Co. to also come and fight him. They came, then they were not able to do anything. Abraham them. And they sent Brigadier General, Jesus Christ, to also come. Jesus also come. He run. He was not able to conquer Lucifer. One day he's telling that, hey, Charlie, let me go and come on. If we in this, we don't see him again. Are you guys what I'm saying? So leave whatever this issue of everyday demon, and work on yourself. Get a very powerful spirit to back you. A divine spirit bless slowly and things will pick for you. Magical spirit give you today and take it tomorrow. I hope you are getting what I'm saying. So there are a lot of you don't have patience. Those who have patience with me, they are really enjoying it. I'm being honest with you. They are really. And they don't play with me. They can boldly tell you that don't play with Apostle Ekatso. But somebody also come and complain because you don't know how to do the right thing. Me, I don't do fasting. Me, I don't have prayer warriors. Listen to what I'm telling you. There are some churches, they will give you water and tell you they have prayer warrior and they will go and pray for you in the night. Me, I don't have those people. But me, I have spirit that can take cow. I have spirit that can take sheep or ram or goat or dove. I hope you are getting what I mean, what I'm saying. So the farm is big. Everybody with their with the position you are playing. What somebody is doing, that's not what I'm doing. So don't expect me to do what people are doing. It will not work for me. I hope you are getting what I'm saying. So may the good Lord bless you. As you can see, this is the Ehitti temple. We graded the place or leveled the place, construct the road all. We construct the road. So when you want to, you know that you are coming, you can call my people, let them know that you want to come and enjoy the Ingila water some, so that we can begin to put them in bucket for you down. When you come, you take your water and go and bath. You'll be blessed to bless others. On the 2nd January, I'll sit down from morning up to 10 p.m. When you come, I'll tell you what is your problem, what will happen to you 2026, and what will not happen, what we need to stop, and what need to come in. I will tell you and see if it will not work. Come and vow to the God. Come and vow to the altar. Say, the year by this time, if you are able to do this and that for me, I'll come and thank you. That is all you need to do. And you'll be blessed to bless others. Merry Christmas to everybody, and I love you all. All Gaga movement and Akrofu movement people, I greet all of you all over the world. God bless you all, and I love you all.